Relationships are an integral part of human life, bringing joy, companionship, and growth. However, when relationships end or become challenging, they can leave emotional scars that require healing. Self-care is crucial in this healing process, as it helps restore balance, rebuild self-esteem, and foster emotional resilience. This guide explores self-care routines and practices specifically tailored to help with healing from relationships. Acknowledging your emotions. The first step in healing from a relationship is acknowledging and validating your emotions, whether it's sadness, anger, guilt, or relief. These feelings are natural responses to the end or turmoil of a relationship. Suppressing emotions can lead to prolonged suffering, so it's important to give yourself permission to feel whatever arises. Practice journaling. Spend a few minutes each day writing about your emotions. Journaling allows you to process feelings in a non-judgmental space, helping you understand your emotional landscape better. Emotional check-ins. Set aside time each day to check in with yourself. Ask, "How am I feeling today?" and note any recurring patterns. This practice builds emotional awareness and helps you track your healing progress. Setting healthy boundaries. After a relationship ends, setting boundaries is vital for your emotional well-being. Boundaries protect your mental space, allowing you to focus on your healing without being pulled back into unhealthy dynamics. Practice no-contact rule. Consider implementing a no-contact period with your ex-partner, at least temporarily. This helps in breaking emotional attachments and gives you the space to heal without interference. Digital detox. Limit your time on social media, especially if you're tempted to check on your ex. This prevents unnecessary emotional triggers and helps you focus on yourself. Physical self-care. The mind and body are deeply connected, and taking care of your physical health can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being. Physical self-care includes activities that nurture your body, helping you feel more grounded and less overwhelmed by emotions. Practice regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, yoga, or strength training. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and helps reduce stress and anxiety. Balanced nutrition. Pay attention to your diet. Eating nutrient-rich foods supports your body's recovery process and stabilizes mood swings. Sleep hygiene. Prioritize getting enough sleep. Establish a bedtime routine that includes activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath to signal your body that it's time to rest. Emotional and mental self-care involves activities that nurture your emotional health and help you manage your thoughts and feelings constructively. This is especially important when dealing with the emotional aftermath of a relationship. Practice therapy or counseling. Talking to a therapist can provide you with a safe space to explore your feelings, gain new perspectives, and learn coping strategies. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is particularly effective in addressing negative thought patterns that may arise during this time. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Meditation can calm your mind, making it easier to manage overwhelming emotions. Positive affirmations. Use affirmations to counter negative self-talk. Phrases like, "I am worthy of love," or "I am healing every day," can reinforce self-compassion and boost your self-esteem. Relationships often leave voids in our social lives. Rebuilding your social connections is a key part of the healing process. Social self-care involves surrounding yourself with supportive people who uplift you and make you feel valued. Practice reconnecting with friends and family. Reach out to trusted friends and family members. Spend time with people who make you feel good about yourself and who encourage your growth. Joining support groups. Consider joining a support group for individuals going through similar experiences. Sharing your story and hearing others can provide comfort and new insights. Setting new social goals. Expand your social circle by setting goals to meet new people. This could be through hobbies, volunteering, or attending community events. Spiritual self-care, whether through religion, nature, or personal beliefs, can provide solace during difficult times. It involves connecting with something greater than yourself, which can help bring meaning and purpose to your healing journey. Practice meditation and prayer. Engage in daily meditation or prayer to center yourself and connect with your inner peace. This practice can help you find calm and clarity amid emotional turmoil. Nature walks. Spend time in nature to experience its healing effects. The tranquility of natural surroundings can help clear your mind and restore your emotional balance. Creative expression. Engage in creative activities like painting, writing, or music. Creativity can be a powerful outlet for expressing emotions that are difficult to verbalize. Self-compassion is about treating yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during moments of self-doubt or regret. Forgiveness, whether of yourself or others, is also crucial for releasing the emotional burdens that hinder healing. Loving kindness. Meditation. This type of meditation focuses on sending love and compassion to yourself and others. It can help you cultivate a more compassionate attitude toward yourself during the healing process. Forgiveness rituals. If you're struggling with forgiveness, consider performing a ritual to symbolize letting go. This could be writing a letter that you don't send, where you express your feelings and then burn or tear it up as a way of releasing the hurt. Daily gratitude practice. Focusing on what you're grateful for shifts your mindset from what you've lost to what you still have. Start or end your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. The end of a relationship often disrupts your daily routine. Establishing new routines and habits can help you regain a sense of control and normalcy in your life. This also creates space for personal growth and new experiences. Practice morning and evening routines. Establish consistent routines to start and end your day. This could include activities like stretching, drinking a cup of tea, or reading. These routines provide structure and a sense of stability. Learning new skills. Channel your energy into learning something new. This could be a new language, a hobby, or a professional skill. Not only does this distract from emotional pain, but it also boosts your confidence and opens up new opportunities. Goal setting. Set small, achievable goals for yourself, whether they're related to your career, personal development, or health. Achieving these goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and forward momentum. Learning to enjoy your own company is an empowering aspect of self-care. Solitude allows you to reconnect with yourself, understand your needs and desires, and build a stronger sense of self. Practice. Solo activities. Spend time doing things you enjoy on your own, like going to a movie, dining out, or traveling. These activities reinforce your independence and help you discover new interests. Meditative practices. Embrace quiet moments of reflection through meditation, deep breathing, or simply sitting in silence. These practices help you connect with your inner self and develop a deeper understanding of your emotions and thoughts. Creative projects. Engage in creative projects that you can do alone, such as writing a memoir, painting, or gardening. These activities provide an outlet for self-expression and a sense of fulfillment. Healing from a relationship also presents an opportunity for personal growth. By focusing on self-improvement, you not only heal, but also become a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Practice. Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on the lessons learned from your relationship. What did you learn about yourself? What changes would you like to make moving forward? Personal development books and courses. Invest in books or online courses that focus on personal growth. Whether it's about self-esteem, communication skills, or emotional intelligence, these resources can provide valuable insights. Mindful living. Adopt a mindful approach to life by being fully present in everything you do. This can help you appreciate the small moments of joy in your daily life and keep you grounded in the present. Healing from a relationship is a journey that requires time, patience, and intentional self-care. By incorporating these self-care routines and practices into your daily life, you can gradually rebuild your emotional strength, regain your sense of self, and open up to new possibilities. Remember that healing is not linear, and it's okay to have setbacks. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, treating yourself with the kindness and compassion you deserve. With time and the right self-care practices, you will emerge from this experience stronger and more resilient, ready to embrace the next chapter of your life.